So this peace deal having been signed, well, the crude oil prices are going down and the markets are now climbing. After the news of the initial agreement to end the war between Iran and the United States was reported, Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 stock average has gone up by 1,400 points to hit a record intraday high, while South Korean stocks rose for the second consecutive day. As Atlas Advisory has now come out to say that this memorandum of understanding that has been signed between the two countries has had a positive impact on Japanese equities as well. And there's still going to be a period of recovery. However, certainly as the ships that start to move out of the Strait of Hormuz that has been stranded for the last 3 months, but the impact just isn't on oil, but many other, chemicals, plastics, particularly even when it comes to food packaging, that is added to the inflation. So seeing this end of this inflation that has been induced by the oil prices seems to have been what is being reflected in the markets is very positive. Mr. Ajay Bagga is connected with us. Mr. Bagga, sir, this deal has been signed. It's official now. Crude oil prices are coming back to the very price that it was before the 28th of February, and markets have been cheering. What is your take, sir?
Political risk has reduced considerably. For India, it is easily a $50-60 billion less of import bill over the year that we were fearful of. Prices are coming down. Yesterday, Indian basket, crude oil basket came down to $82. Today, it will be less than $80. So it is a very positive move. Overall, it scotches the ugly monster of inflation. It helps risk on. Basically, what that means is that stocks go up and commodities also start going up. Overall, it's a very positive move.
Absolutely, sir. And it seems that it is now being reflecting in the markets as well as it opened this morning. Thank you very much, Mr. Bagga, for your point of view. Well, the markets have been cheering, and that seems to be a reflection coming in on the opening of the South Asian markets this morning, at least. In the meantime,